Hello, welcome kids once again. Yeah, my name is Teacher Evans. Now today is another wonderful day. Before we start the lesson, I wanted to sing one song with you today. And the song is Good Morning, okay? So you can practice the song with me. If you're ready, then let's start singing. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Clap your hands, clap, clap, clap. Stomp your feet, stomp, stomp, stomp. Spin around, spin, spin, spin. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Wash your hands, wash, wash, wash. Shake your hands, shake, shake, shake. Brush your teeth, brush, brush, brush. All right. Good morning. Okay, all right. Yes, thank you very much for singing with me. Now, today too, I have a wonderful lesson for you. But before we start today's lesson, let's take 2 minutes to review what we learned on the other day. What was the letter that we learned on the previous lesson? Okay? Letter R, good. Good. So our previous lesson, we learned letter R. So what is the sound for letter R? Okay. Yeah, we said it sounds like rrr, 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 rrr. Okay, good. Now look at me and then tell me the kind of object that acts like that, letter R. What object normally do that? Okay, if you're able to say robot, you are correct. Okay, so that's all for the last lesson that we did. Okay, now today we are going to look at a different letter, and that letter comes after letter R. What letter is that? That letter comes after letter R. If you are confused, then let's go back to letter A. Let's go back to letter A. So now we are going to read from letter A to letter R. So the next after letter R is what we are coming to talk about today. Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Good. So today we are coming to talk about letter S today. Okay, so today we are coming to learn letter X. Okay, now, so this is the uppercase S and then the lowercase s. We normally call it as the capital letter S and the small letter s. Good. Good. Letter S has a sound, and this is how the sound comes from. A snake in the grass. So this is the sound for letter S. Good. So we say S, 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 S. Okay? You can practice with me. S, 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 S. Okay, good job. So this is how we get the sound from. Always don't forget a snake in the grass. S. Good job. Now I have a wonderful picture to show you, but it gives us light during the daytime, and that's what we normally do. It gives us light during the daytime. Yes? Yeah, I heard somebody saying sun. The person is correct. Yes. Sun. 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 Good. Good. Okay, good. So let's use the sound to pronounce the word. Okay, so we say S, 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 sun. S, 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 sun. S, 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 sun. S, 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 sun. Again. S, 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 sun. Okay, good. So this is how we get the sound from. Now let's look at how we write the word sun. Okay, sun. S, U, N. So sun, S, U, N. Good. So the letter underlined sound S, S. Okay, good. So let's take it again. S, 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 sun. S, 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 sun. Good job. Now I have another photo to show you. This photo, the animal in the photo normally do like this. And very, very dangerous animal. Which animal normally do this? Okay, if you're able to say snake, then you are correct. Snake. Snake. So you see snake go like this and stand trying to bite people like this. Okay, good. So this is snake. Good. So now let's use the sound to pronounce the word here. So S, 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 snake. S, 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 snake. S, 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 snake. Don't forget, snake always go like this. If a snake wanted to bite somebody. Good. So now let's look at how we write snake. So snake, we write snake S, N, A K E, snake, snake, snake. And the first letter here sound S, S, S. So let's take it once again. S, 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 snake. S, 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 snake. Good. Now, the last photo is in a form of this. Can you see it? It also gives us light during the night. Can you see it? It gives us light during the night. And they are plenty. Okay? Okay. Okay. Here is it. Star, 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 star. Good. Good job. So now let's also look at the sound of this. S, 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 star. S, 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 star. S, 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 star. Okay, you have 5 seconds to practice with me. Okay, let's go. Good job. S, 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 star. S, 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 star. Okay, you are correct. Now let's look at how we can write the word star. You write a star. S, T, A, R. Good. And the first letter sound S. S. Okay, so now let's quickly go over again. This is the letter name S. S. The uppercase S and the lowercase s. And it sounds as S. It sounds as S. So you say S, S, S. Good. So S, 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 sun. S, 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 sun. S, 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 snake. S, 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 snake. S, 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 star. S, 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 star. Good. Now we know the letter name and its sound, and also some words that start with the sound S. Now let's look at how we can write the letter itself. Okay. Now to write the letter S, you start at a point, you curl to left, then you turn to right, you curl to left again. This is the uppercase S. And after that, I can trace with you, or let's trace together so that you learn how to write the letter S. Are you ready? Now let's write letter S. Okay. Good. So this is the uppercase S, or capital letter S. Now the lowercase is also the same as the uppercase, okay? The same shape. But this one is very small. That we call it the small letter S. Okay. Good. Small. Okay. So this is the small letter S, or the lowercase. S. Good. So this is how we write letter S, both uppercase and lower case. Good. Okay, now let's go over again. Now, S is the letter name, and it has a sound S, S, S. S, 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 S. S, 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 sun. S, 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 sun. And sun, S-U-N. S, 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 snake. S, 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 snake. And snake, S-N-A-K-E. Okay, good. Now the last one, S, 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 star. S, 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 star. Star, S-T-A-R. Good. So that's all for letter S. Thank you for watching our lesson. Goodbye.